In this guide, we're going over how you can download and install mods here in The Sims 4. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and back out of The Sims 4 if you currently have it opened up. So go ahead and close out of it and open up a Google web browser. Once you're on that Google web browser, you need to search for Sims 4 mod. Search for that and you're going to see a bunch of different options on here. You could really choose any of these different catalogs. There's going to be a bunch like CurseForge, for example, Mod The Sims, The Sims Resource. I personally like CurseForge. So what I'm going to do is go to this CurseForge option right here, and then you're going to be able to see all of these Sims 4 mods in here. Go ahead and select check out mods. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, and you can hit browse all to find whatever really mod you would like. And there is a lot on here. For example, you could download specific worlds. You could go ahead and it looks like this is Japan. That's actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this one. So go ahead and find the one that you want, open it up, and you're going to see a few different options on here. What I would recommend doing to make it easier is just hit install via app, and then from here just hit open CurseForge or download CurseForge if you don't already have it, and it's just going to redirect you to the CurseForge app where you can just immediately go ahead and download those worlds. Now, I currently just downloaded this. It took 2 seconds, and then now all I have to do is just return to CurseForge, go to the home page, and then you're going to see Sims 4 on here. You could select it, find what you're trying to start, and just hit the little run game option up at the top. It'll immediately launch the game for you. You don't have to like relaunch it or anything with that new mod on there. Now, when the game does finally launch for you, and it might take a second to launch after that, you need to go ahead and immediately go to the options tab on here. So let me close out of this as well. And in here, you're going to see a tab that says enable custom content. You got to make sure that you turn this on. If you don't see options on this left hand side, hit escape and then go ahead and go to game options and then select other. Make sure enable custom content and mods is on, apply changes, and then you could close out of this. And that's really all there is to it. Your mods are now going to appear in the game. So I could do a new game just like so. We'll go with this guy as our dude and then get loaded into our game. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.